is the borderless universe. He hibernates within. Freedom is ringing, for whom the bell tolls. Freedom is living, it's born as we grow. I am free with my voice, in its tone and its words. The sound of my truth blends with yours as it's heard. A chorus of freedom, each